Hey there, today we're going to look at how to make your Google Calendar aesthetic. So let's get started. First, open Google Calendar. Over here in the My Calendars section on the left, hover over the calendar you want to change and click the three dots. After that, choose a color from the palette or click the plus sign to enter a hex code. Then click the plus sign next to other calendars on the left and select Create New Calendar. Over here, give it a name, add a description if you want, and press Create Calendar. Next, in the top right corner, choose between different views like day, week, month, year, schedule, or 4 days. After that, click the Create button and select Event. Fill in the event details, then add emojis by pressing Command plus Control plus space on Mac or Windows, key plus period on PC. Finally, click Save. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.